we will create this front end for this e-commerce store. You can turn on the dark mode. You can add to cart. So there is no backend here. This is just a quick tutorial for the front end only. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. I just have this component, the clothing store. The other components are for other tutorials. This is in my homepage, so let's just create this one component for this whole store. So let's start by saying use client. Now I'm using NextJS, so I'm using use client. Okay, so we need some imports. You're gonna have to install this npm install react hot toast. You're also gonna install all of these add component UI. So these are ShadCN components. So for each of these, switch, select, input, button, card, you will have to go to just Google ShadCN installation, click your Next.js or whatever, and copy this code, and then go into, so this is for press yes to everything, and then go to like button or something, and then just copy this code. And you can also just say next to button, you can also list all of these, card, so button space, card space, select, or you can just go one by one and find them here and install them one by one. After that, we're gonna start with interface product, and it's gonna have ID, name, price, colors, sizes, image rating, and let me close others, because this is the only component we need for this page. Other pages are for other tutorials that I'm making. So then let's create an array of products. So it's gonna be an object. It's gonna have ID, name, luxury watch, price, this one, and colors. These are colors to select from. Sizes, it's gonna have only standard, but you can just add whatever you want. Image, luxury watch PNG, and rating. Now you can go to my GitHub, and I'm gonna have all of these, everything in GitHub. So this is multiple tutorials, but just for this tutorial, you just need to go to public and then get these images. So luxury watch, you're gonna find luxury watch here. Is it in images? No, it's luxury watch here. And then I'm gonna add other products. So for all of these products, you can either copy all of this code from my GitHub, just find this component in the components here, and you can copy these images only, or you can copy the whole like GitHub repository. Okay. Clothing store, we're gonna make some space. Dark mode, set dark mode, use state false. Current slide, set current slide. So this is header slide, like hero section. And then cart, set cart. So there's gonna be an object. It's gonna have key, that's number. So this is gonna be this, I think the key will be like ID of the product. Okay, and then feature. So this is for scrolling. When I click some button to scroll to contacts, this will help me scroll to contacts. About ref and contact ref. Toggle dark mode. Set dark mode to opposite. And then document element, class list, toggle dark. Next slide. Set current slide previous +1. But make sure to divide by the length of products, so because it will then go like back, circle around. Okay, so this is the previous slide. It's gonna be almost the same, but a bit different logic. Now it circles around from the other side. Add to cart, set cart, so we have previous cart. So we destructure the previous cart, and then product ID, this is the key, and then the value will be the product. I think this is just, I'm not sure exactly what I did here. I forgot a little bit, but this is gonna be the number of products with this ID, I think. But we can check later what this does. Okay, and then we have this toaster. Like this is notification success. Remove from cart. So we're gonna do the same. So new cart is gonna be previous cart. And then if there is more than one item, so first let's return new cart down here. But if there is more than one item of this product ID, then we will just decrease or we will delete new cart. Okay, I'm not sure what I did here, I forgot. But we'll see where we use this. Okay, and the notification, get total cart items. This is easy, so we're just gonna take all the values of cart and then sum them up. So we have, so reduce has a sum of all of the previous operations and the next operation. So we're just gonna start from 0 and then just add the next one, the next one, the next one, and keep the whole sum. Scroll to section. So this is when we click some button to scroll to. So we're gonna get the reference. So we defined references here: contact reference, about reference, etc. And then we will just scroll the window to that reference. Then let's do return. The first one, this is the big div, the outside div. So let me save this. Doesn't show anything yet. So let's go toaster. This will, if you don't have this, the notifications will not show. And then some header, another div inside, another div, shopping bag. This is a cart, I think. And then fashion hub. I think this is logo. Let's see. Yeah, this is it. So we will fix the colors here. Okay, then navigation. And then we have this button for shop. So this will scroll to shop section. It's right here, but it's still kind of dark. So let me go ahead and have about and contact. So this will scroll to these corresponding sections. So we have it here. Let's go below and make a new div. So this is the icon for search, and then we have another div. This is shopping cart. This is a shopping cart item or icon, and then get total item count. What did I do? Okay. If it's more than 0, then we're gonna display something here, and we will display this span, which is like a red. Well, we can't see it yet, but it's gonna be like a red dot, a red number that says how many items are in cart. It's gonna be in the top corner of this cart. Okay, then let's make a div below everything. This is gonna have sun icon and switch. So this is gonna have dark mode and toggle dark mode, and the moon icon. You see here? That's it. Let me switch to this mode. Okay, and then we're gonna say main section div. And okay, so this is the slides. So we have style background URL, current slide.image. So this is the products. Current slide is like the number, it's index, and then .image. And then background size cover, the background size center. If I save this, we have these images that are scrolling. This is the header. Then let's make another div that's absolute, and let's make another div, and then this is the product title. So when you see this product, there is nothing after. This is just wrapping, so it's product and immediately this. There is no dot. Then discover our latest collection, and then the button for shopping now, which will scroll and click to features, featured ref. This is what we have. Okay, let's now continue. So this is going to have be another button. It's going to be chevron left. This is for changing slides. So this is a previous slide, the next slide, and chevron right. Let me do this. So these buttons that let me change the pictures and products. Then let's make an so I don't know why I closed section here. It's a bit of a, just leave it there. So I closed one section here and then made another section. This is featured ref, and then title featured products, and then div. So this is gonna adjust to all screen sizes. Okay, let's map the products. So let's use card from ShadCN, card, and let's put in the image. It's gonna have all of these object cover and stuff, so product.image. And let me save this, although this is messed up. Okay, let me comment this, I think. I just need to comment this section that I closed. And now you see what happens if I change light to dark mode. First of all, the light mode is properly working as well, but also we have all of this now. And now let's continue inside of this card content. I'm gonna make a new div and select, and this is select trigger, so that's gonna be color. Select content, we're gonna select color, so products colors map. For each color, we're gonna say select item, key is color, value color dot to lowercase and color. This is what we have now. We have a price, this title, and then selecting color. Let's continue. Another select next to this one. This is gonna be also select. So this is, I think, size, I think. So we have trigger, yeah, size, and then select content. We're gonna map sizes, select item size, value size. Okay, and then below that, let's do card footer. So this is footer for this card, and then this is gonna be the button, like add to cart or not. So if cart has this product ID, then we're gonna say button remove from cart, and we're gonna say remove from cart. Oh my god, okay. I just keep clicking stuff. And then if there is no this product in cart, then we're gonna add to cart. Now let's create a section at the bottom. This is what we have by now. If I click add to cart, you see number here appears, and I can do this, and there is this our toaster, and then I can remove as well. So this is the contact. So let me go ahead and say another div, and then subscribe to our newsletter, all of this good stuff. Another div, input, flex grow, and subscribe. And let's make a footer, but let me show you what this looks like. Just when it loads, it looks like this. And then in the footer, we're gonna make a div, and then all of this good stuff, like about, fashion hub, all of this good stuff. And then div below, we're gonna create some elements, so quick links, and then list. So this is list has button to scroll to this. This will scroll to at the top of the window, so top 0, home. This will scroll to features. This is shop. We're gonna have this button to scroll to about, and this one to scroll to contact. You can ignore this small error. I'm not sure what this is, but just ignore it. So if I click here, home, we can go to about, contact, shop. It all works. Thank you for watching. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below.